Everybody, this is simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion is a type of motion similar to circular motion. It was discovered in the 17th century by a guy named Galileo Galilei. He was so bored by the guy in the front, he decided to time the swinging of the lamp using his pulse. He found that the time for each swing was the same, despite the fact that the swing could be wider. Before I go on, there are a couple of words you'll need to know. First one is displacement, which is the distance from the middle of the swing. The second one is amplitude, which is the furthest distance for a swing. Okay, there are three factors that affect simple harmonic motion. First one is velocity. Velocity is the amount of speed that an object has. So anyhow, you can imagine going up would decrease speed, going down would increase the speed, right? Well, sort of, that's how things work. This can be represented in a velocity time graph, which shows the amount over time. For the older people, you will notice that this graph is sinusoidal, meaning that it goes in a wave shape. The second factor is acceleration. This is the rate of speed, I said rate, that goes for the swing. So it would be decreasing as so this is what it would kind of look like. We can also draw another graph called an acceleration time graph. This one is also sinusoidal, so it's minus when it goes down. Now, as you can see, like here, and going up is plus and such. The third and final one is displacement, which you all know is the distance from the middle of the swing. This motion can be depicted in this form, and this can be shown in the displacement time graph, which looks like this. It's so up and down, sinusoidal as well. Now, enough of that boring stuff. Let's go on to the fun part. So, what are the uses for simple harmonic motion, you may be asking? Well, without it, we couldn't have designed. Yeah, old and boring. But we don't use those anymore because nowadays we have new clocks, such as digital clocks. But they still operate on the same principle. Calcium atoms, like shown in the picture, vibrate at a regular time, giving off signals. This can be used to find out the time. And that, my friends, is simple harmonic motion. Until next time, peace.